Something crazy is happening on TikTok right now, and it pisses me off because no one is talking about it. Tons of faceless channels are raking in millions of views and making fortunes by simply repurposing other people's content. So I set myself out on a quest to try and replicate what they do. And let me tell you, these channels aren't bluffing, but how they do it is probably not what you expected. So in this video, I'm going to peel back the curtain on their secret strategy so that you too can make thousands of dollars using this exact business model. It all started when I came across a TikTok account that posts motivation-themed videos. At first glance, it looked like just another account where they repost viral moments from popular podcasts. However, there was something extraordinary about this channel, and I realized the account owner is likely making thousands of dollars every single day. How, you may ask? Through affiliate links. They found a way to completely automate their content using AI to get lots of views. But more importantly, these views are then directed to affiliate links that are placed all over the account. You see, affiliate links are unique links that lead to third-party websites where followers of the page can buy different products and services from. And when someone buys a product using one of these links, the website pays the channel owner a part of that sale. Sounds simple, right? That's because it actually is, and that's exactly why I'll be showing you how to do it. Assuming you already have created a TikTok account, the next step is to find a niche. The best niches for affiliate marketing are the niches that get the most views. These are niches related to self-improvement, motivation, spirituality, and fitness. Conveniently, these are also the niches that have the best performing affiliate products. But let's get to that part later. For now, just pick a popular niche. For the purpose of this video, I'm going to be reposting viral clips of popular podcasts. To do this, we are simply going to use a tool called Opus Pro. Here's how it works. Firstly, you're going to want to find a video of a popular podcast episode that has recently gone viral on YouTube. I'm going to pick a video with the most motivated man on planet Earth, none other than David Goggins. So I'm going to search for David Goggins podcast, and then click on filters and narrow the search down to videos that were uploaded during the past year. Just skim through the search results and pick a podcast episode you like. I'm going to go with this first one. Next, all you have to do is copy the URL of the video and head over to Opus Pro website. I'll leave a link down below in the description where you can try out this tool for free. This AI tool could automatically create thousands of fully subtitled short videos for you in minutes that you can even use on platforms like Instagram, YouTube, and Facebook. But if you don't choose the right settings for it, it doesn't work. So I'm going to quickly run you through how to use it correctly so you can start doing this yourself. We'll see that when we follow the link in the description, we have the option to get free clips. That's because Opus offered a free trial for my viewers so they can try the AI out and get their first 20 clips completely for free. So how this works is you can see drop a video link option right here. I'm going to go ahead and paste the link we copied to the podcast video earlier. Within seconds, the AI has gone away, found that video, and brought it back into the dashboard ready to cut up. But there's settings down here that you need to get right in order for this to work for what we're trying to do. Firstly, make sure to select an animated caption style you like from these presets. I think the default looks the best, so I'm going to leave it as is. Next, we have the option to select the time frame we want Opus to process. If your video has a long, boring intro or outro, you could drag the sliders in from the sides to exclude these sections from being turned into our vertical format clips. I'm gonna pull the sliders in from both sides just a little bit because I've seen this podcast before, and the best parts are towards the middle of the video. Next, we need to make sure that we're only generating clips that are between 30 to 60 seconds and 60 to 90 seconds long. That's really where the sweet spot is for TikTok videos. That's really all we need to do at this stage, and once you click on Get Clips in one click, Opus will go away and automatically cut any YouTube video into a ton of short vertical format videos for us. Give Opus a few minutes to cut up our video, and voila, we can see that we've been given a ton of short form videos. And you could see that from just that one podcast alone, the AI has made 6 new fully subtitled short videos for me. These are already 6 short videos that have been created for me that I wouldn't have had the time to make in the past. If you looked closely, the AI has given each video a virality score. It's ordered these in how likely they are to blow up and go viral and get me the most possible views. When you start using this to make thousands of short videos at a time, think of all the money you could be making from directing your viewers towards your affiliate links. It's truly just nuts. But there's one more thing you'd have to optimize before we jump into the making money part of the video. You'd want to click on this little edit icon and click on design. Here you have the option to add amazing B-roll footage to your video. Just toggle this add B-roll switch on and give Opus a few minutes to process the changes we made. Let's take a look at what our final video looks like.
And say to yourself, because you know you're gonna get warm, the second you get out of this water, you can take a shower and you can be warm. And in 5 days you could be out. So I start thinking logically. I calm my brain down because your brain just wants to get the fuck out.
Alright, so now for the fun part. I'm going to show you how you can turn these TikToks into actual cash. I started using this exact method last month and I have made over $800 in affiliate commissions already. Firstly, you need to sign up on a website like ClickBank or Digistore. Once you're signed in, you're going to have to click on Marketplace. Here, if you look at the left side of the screen, you can find a bunch of digital product categories. Since we are somewhat in the motivational niche, I'm going to click on the self-development category. Digistore is going to show you a bunch of digital products that are related to self-development. Now, you can pick any product you want from this huge catalog of products, but what I recommend you do is click on this little arrow and sort your results by cart conversions. This ranks the digital products by how many people actually bought the item after clicking on the link from other affiliates who are promoting the same product. As you could see, the billionaire brainwave is crushing it on Digistore right now, so we're going to try and cash in while we can. Remember I told you about the unique link you're going to promote in your TikTok bio? Well, all you have to do now to get this link is to click on this copy promo link icon. This copies the unique link to your clipboard. Each offer is different, but as you could see, this product gives you a whopping 75% of the product price every single time a customer buys this product through your unique link. By the way, if you are looking to fast track your YouTube success, I've developed the perfect program to help you start a channel from scratch and make $10,000 within months, all without ever showing your face or recording your voice. My new course packs 40+ hours of value pack lessons for less than $1 a day. Sign up right now to take advantage of early bird pricing. So the next step is pretty self-explanatory. All you have to do now is paste this link in all your video descriptions and your account bio on TikTok. Your goal is to remind the viewers about this product every chance you get. It might seem silly, but trust me, you're going to make your first sale within days if you follow these exact steps and post your videos consistently. If you want to learn how to monetize motivational videos on YouTube, check this video out or click this other video if you're a shorts creator.